Good afternoon to you on the Gulf Coast. I'm meteorologist Alex Carter. Behind me, another perfect October beach day on tap. You see that right here. Clear waters, clear skies. Lots of people out there fishing and enjoying the beautiful day that it is. It is a warm one though, and you can see that on our temperature map here. 85 in Crestview, 84 in Pensacola and Milton, and 81 in Daphne and Mobile. Forecasted lows tonight, going to be seasonal, so another warm night in store for us. Mid to upper 60s across the coast tonight, unless you're further on the immediate coast and you might be running towards 70. And that beach cam indicated no clouds, no rain. That's the case for all of southwest Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. But we do have some watches and warnings to address, and here is one for southwest Alabama and the Florida Panhandle as far east as Okaloosa County. It is a tropical storm watch that is in effect until November 1st until 3 p.m. I do think that's running a little late. This will be out of our hair well before then. But we also have a hurricane watch for our coastal Mississippi counties, so Jackson, Harrison, and areas west. So this is something that we are watching, obviously, and it will be an impact to the northern Gulf Coast. It is Zeta. It is situated just east of the Bay of Campeche as a tropical storm at the moment, moving northwest into the Gulf before shifting northeast, and it'll be doing this very quickly. Check out the movement on this thing. 46 miles an hour is how fast it's moving. Now, if you remember Sally, it was moving at around 2 to 3 miles an hour. So this thing, essentially the exact opposite in terms of movement, and it will be affecting our coast around midnight, say on Thursday. We are tracking the tropical storm force wind field associated with this storm, and that is showing you how far out from the eye tropical storm force winds will exist. This projecting a very small hurricane force wind field. So that is the good news. We won't be expecting hurricane storm force winds. We will be expecting tropical storm force winds though as this storm shifts northeast and makes its way to our immediate coastline. So do be expecting tropical storm force winds anywhere, some gusts up to 60 miles an hour. The biggest threat with this storm going to be the rainfall. And you can see that our coastal portions, so Orange Beach, Pensacola, areas that got impacted by Sally, not going to have nearly as much rain this time around as areas further inland in southwest Alabama, southeast Mississippi. So northern Mobile and northern Mobile and Baldwin counties, excuse me. Clark County, Washington County, George County, Mississippi. You guys could be expecting 3 to 4 inches of rain, some isolated amounts that are higher because of where you are within this storm. Areas in the Florida Panhandle and the Wiregrass will not be seeing a lot of rain with this storm, but flash flooding in Washington, Clark, Choctaw, all those counties, very possible as this storm moves further inland. We are also watching for the risk of severe thunderstorms on Wednesday and into early Thursday morning. SPC issued a marginal risk of severe weather anywhere from Clanton and south along the Gulf Coast. So Mobile, Washington counties, Baldwin County, all areas in southwest Alabama, keep an eye out on the sky for a possible tornado warning. These storms will produce possible spin-up tornadoes. They're very weak in nature, so it won't be a significant tornado threat, but it will be something to definitely watch out for as we go into Wednesday. Now, obviously, the beach not going to be ideal conditions out there, so stay out of the Gulf waters at least through Thursday afternoon. Deadly rip currents possible through Thursday, and they're guaranteed. I mean, we're going to be running red flags Tuesday through Thursday. Not going to be safe to get in those Gulf waters. Going to be really gusty out there, and the waters, I've tried to mirror what's going to be like out there over the next few days. Not going to be ideal beach weather, even though temperature's going to be around 80. So yeah, not going to be good beach days for a little bit. Now check this out. Thursday afternoon will start to clear out, and that's why we have partly cloudy skies there. Check this out though, Friday through Sunday, the weekend, yes, fall folks, fall is in play, at least through the weekend. Highs in the lower 70s, rain chances virtually zero, and we might even get some lows in the lower 50s, similar to what we had maybe a weekend ago. And once we get back into the early week though, going to ramp back into the mid 80s. But, you know, to summarize here, once we get what we pay this week for Zeta, and we end the week on a great note with some fall-like weather. So all in all, great stuff to report. Holly Baker will have the latest for you on the Tuesday morning Atmos Center. But stay safe and have a great week, Gulf Coast.